going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right here is a 2021 Toyota CHR 2021. I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the trim panel right here and how to take out that door handle. Okay, guys, go ahead, get a flathead screwdriver. Put it right there in the crease and pry this piece out. Okay? That's how you take that piece off. Alright, guys. After you take off this piece right here, take those two screws from there. Those are Phillips. Open the handle right here, guys. Take out that piece inside of there. Take that piece out. Inside there, guys, it's one screw, one fillet. One fillet. I got you your flathead screwdriver, this piece right here, we're gonna pop this piece out of there. Put your flathead screwdriver right between the crease and pop it up. Comes right out. Unplug it, take it out. It's two screws, guys, right there. Those are Phillips, two of them. That's one. That's two. Use the flathead, guys. Jam it in the groove right there. And pry the trim panel away from the door. Just like that. Pop it out. All that is loose. Now you're gonna hold it and go up with it. Just like that. Take this out. That's how you take off the trim panel, guys. Come right off. Now we're gonna take the handle from out of there. Alright, guys, now it's time to take the handle out of there. Get yourself 10mm. See them three screws? You go take them three screws out of there. Take them out. Okay, now we're going to put down the window. We're going to take off the door belt molding. Put down the window. Use the flathead, gonna put it right between the groove of this molding right here and fry it out. Gonna hold it, fry it off with it. So do that. Like these things, sometimes they break, sometimes they don't. That's just the way it is. These things was meant to break anyway, all right? So if you break it, don't feel bad. Just go ahead and have it replaced. Now, all right. The handle is loose. See, the handle is loose. You see that cable right there? You gotta take that cable from out of there. All you gotta do is just take out the cable. It's two small clips that goes down here. They're right there. Don't worry. Those clips, they will break out. There's nothing that you could do about those clips. They will break out. Those clips, don't worry about those clips because the 3 screws is what hold the handle on to the door. So you are good. Don't worry about those 2 clips, okay? This thing will not fall off. Them 3 screws is what hold this thing to the door, all right? Anyways, that's how you take off the handle, okay? Comes right off. When you guys go to put the stuff back, just go in and put back the cable. Snap this piece in and put it on the screws back for the new molding. They're good to go. All right, with that said, thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys on the next video. The boy working on checking out.